Hello, what's up? Ali here. And on this video, we will show you how to transfer games on our jailbroken PS3 using an FTP directly from the PC. We will show you how and where to place specific game formats from dump or game folders, PS3 ISO, and injected format games. This is for those who don't have an external hard drive to transfer their games or simply prefer doing it this way. For this to work, our PS3 must be connected with the same network with the PC and must use a LAN cable for this. We also need to download a FTP client, and for this, we are going to use FileZilla. So let us go ahead and download FileZilla. Let us start with the FileZilla. You will find the link on our description. Just open the link and click on this part to download the file. And we will also need another file, the PS3 database rebuilder. You will need this to easily rebuild the database of your PS3, and you will also need to do that if you install injected games on your PS3. So let us go ahead and download this as well. Just open the link on our description and click on this part to download the file. Next, let us go ahead and run our FileZilla. Now on the GUI, click on this part, open the site manager. We have to place the IP address of our PS3. Now let us go back to our PS3. On your PS3, make sure that it is properly connected to your router. Then go to the network, Internet connection settings, you may go ahead and choose easy, choose wired connection, here press enter, go back, then check on the settings and connection status list. If on this part your PS3 is not showing any IP address, that means that you have an issue connecting your PS3 to your router. So check every possible issues, and once you get the IP address, let us go ahead and enter this on FileZilla. Then on the port, choose 21. Encryption, simply only use plain FTP. Login type normal, and for the user and password, you may go ahead and choose randomly. Then once everything's all set, click on connect. When you get this message, check on the always allow insecure plain FTP for the server. If you can't connect to your PS3 while on the cross-media board or the main menu, that means you are using HEN and you will have to activate your HEN first. After activating HEN, if you don't have a Webman installed, then you will have to go and enter MultiMAN. Then in MultiMAN, go on the settings, and here on the FTP service, make sure that you have enabled and no timeout. Once you got this, you may go ahead and go back to FTP and connect your PS3. Now when transferring games, let us start with using an ISO format. For the games, I would assume that you already have a backup of your games, and for the ISO format, we should place them in the ISO folder inside the dev HDD0 folder. Open this, and you should see the PS3 ISO folder. Now you can just go ahead and simply drag and drop your PS3 ISO on top of the PS3 ISO folder. You will know that it's being transferred when you see this. Now let us go ahead and transfer our dump format as well. For the dump or game folder format, we should transfer them inside the games folder. So let us just go ahead and drag and drop this on top of the games folder. Now you will see our games or our dump format is now queued on the FTP. Now lastly, for the injected games, we are going to use Vanquish, and for the injected format, we have to transfer the two folders, the BL and the NP folder, inside the game folder. So let us just go ahead and drag and drop this on top of the game folder. Let us go ahead and also transfer our database rebuilder, and I will show you how to install PKGs using MultiMAN. Now let us simply go ahead and transfer this inside the dev HDD0 folder. Now let us go back to our PS3. On the PS3, go to the Install Package Files method and choose PSN style. This way, it is easier to install packages from MultiMAN. Then on MultiMAN, press the Start and the Select button at the same time. Go to the PS3 root, dev HDD0, and double-click on our PKG. Press Yes. Then go to the Package Manager, PlayStation Network Content, press triangle here, and install. First, let us go ahead and rebuild our database so that we can see our injected games that we have just transferred. When you see this message, simply press OK or Enter. Now, after rebuilding the database, we can now see the injected game format that we have just transferred. For injected game format, you can see and access them on the cross media board or on the main menu of your PS3. If you're using HAN, you don't have to activate HAN. This is actually a good format, so you don't have to activate anything. All you have to do is simply boot your PS3 and load your games. Now, for how to inject games, I will simply leave a link on our description for a video on how to inject or convert games to injected format. Now let us go ahead and check the other two games as well. You can find them in the MultiMAN or any game managers that you are using. You will know that it's on ISO format if you see a CD icon on the upper right of the game icon. So this is our ISO format game. Let us go ahead and check this game. For ISO game format, sometimes you will have to convert your dump games to ISO if they contain any large files. And now for our dump or game folder format, let us go ahead and try our Tales of Xillia. Alright, well, this is actually one of my favorite RPG on the PS3. And up till now, there are no RPGs on the PS4 that comes close to this, at least for me. So this will be it for now. If you have encountered any issues with regarding installing games on our PS3, I will leave a link on our description on ways or methods of how to fix PS3 games on our jailbroken PS3. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please go ahead and share them on our comment section and I will definitely address them. And again, my name is Ali. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and like and subscribe. And I will definitely see you on our next video. Bye-bye.